Welcome back to Findependence Hustle. Today we have a good video for you. By we, I mean I have a good video for you. I'm already getting too big for my britches, just 5 videos in. How about that? So, I have a question for you. Are you a millionaire? Am I a millionaire? I don't know about you. As for me, no, not yet. But I will be. And so will you. How do I know? You're cruising financial YouTube. You're already more self-aware about money than your peers, which puts you into the minority as it is. If any of the subjects I cover in this video apply to you, there's a good chance you're on the road to financial freedom. When I spend money, even small amounts, I feel like I'm stealing from my future self. Why? $1 invested today will be worth nearly $10 by the time I'm 60. If you're 18 years old, your dollar, given the market's return 10%, will be worth just under 55 by the time you're 60. Every dollar not invested feels wasted to me. It will never grow. It's gone forever. Most likely on something I could have gone without anyway. Surrounding yourself with people who think about money similar to the way that you do? Common sense states that we do tend to follow our friends into habits. If those habits are health, success, frugality, and goals, those are the people that you will thrive around. You may be thinking, Leah, I'm broke. How are friends and investing money that I don't even have going to make me a millionaire? There is always a way. Investing is easier than ever. With apps that allow you to take control of your investments, one of my favorites is Webull. Use the link in the description for 12 fractional shares, free, just for funding your account with any amount. It'll get you started, and it'll help me out so much. Try to have multiple streams of income. The IRS analyzed tax returns of high net worth individuals and found on average that they had 7 streams of income. Earned income from a job, passive income from investments, real estate, dividends, capital gains, royalty income. Set up some passive streams. You'd be surprised at how quickly they start to add up. And lastly, try to set up a job that pays based on results rather than time. This is something I'm working on myself. There are only so many hours in a day, and getting a fixed amount of money for a ridiculous amount of your time takes you away from other opportunities. If you'd like to get started on some passive streams of income, maybe some games that earn you crypto, check out the video on the left. It's about the Coin app. And if you want to get 100% cash back for shopping at your favorite retailers, then click the video to the right. Bye for now.